Uh, Today we will start the chapter matrices. Okay, what do you by matrices? Matrix. Okay, now we know that matrices are used in cryptography and economics and sociology. Okay, now matrices means really what? This is a row matrix. The elements are aligned in this way. Okay, so this is row matrix. This is column matrix. This is column arranged one after the other element is called as a column matrix. Here each of the element are aligned one after the other. So this is called as a row matrix. Now, now we will see the various types of matrices. Okay, first matrix is row matrix. Okay, okay. Second is column matrix. Third is null matrix. Okay, these are the types of the matrices. For this is row matrix. You know that the row is like this. So the element of the row first row is 2739, whatever it may be, but it is a row matrix. Okay, and this is a column matrix, and this is a null matrix. Null matrix means zero. Okay, wherever it will be, and no elements will be there in this matrix. Okay, now the further matrix is square matrix. Square matrix means uh, having the matrix which are having the rows and columns both same. If rows are 2, then the matrix will be also column will be the elements of the column will be also 2, and if the elements of the column is 1, then the uh, element of the row will also be 1, means the elements of the rows and columns are same. Okay, then are called as a square matrix. Okay, so this is the matrix. It is called as a square matrix. Now, fifth one is diagonal matrix. What is this diagonal matrix? This is a diagonal elements. Observe the here it is all the diagonal elements except this. What you see except the digits, okay, the number. What you observe that here all zero. Yes, yes, understood? Means what? Except the diagonal here, except the diagonal, there are the elements are zero. Is called as a diagonal matrix. Okay, like this. Only this much will be the numbers or uh, digits. It is called as a diagonal matrix. Got it? Now, next is a scalar matrix. What is the scalar matrix? We saw the matrix which are having a same value is called as a diagonal or the uh, matrix which have the same only the diagonal elements. Okay, and without the diagonal there are no elements are called as a diagonal matrix. Now we will see what is scalar matrix. The scalar matrix in which the diagonal elements are same. Okay, the elements are diagonal. Okay, these are the diagonal elements. Okay, no doubt these are the diagonal elements only, means which are having only the digits and all, but it has same if they are the same digits are called as a scalar matrix. Now, what is unit matrix? Unit matrix means which have only a one diagonal number at a diagonal position. Okay, in any cases. Okay, 1 to 1, 2 1 2, 2 2, and 2 3 3. Okay, means having the diagonal elements are having the one digit. Okay, one number. See here, that is called as a unit matrix or a unitary matrix. So now further we will see that 8 number which is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix means in which the matrix are if for all value a of ij is equal to a of ji, and here it is these elements are h and f are the values are given, then are called as a symmetric matrix. Now we will see the skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. We will earlier we saw what is symmetric matrix, in which we saw that how the elements are and solved, and then after that now we will see what are the skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix are for which A of ij is equal to minus of A of small ij for all values of I and j should be arranged are called as then skew symmetric matrix, and all diagonal elements are 0. So here see, here it is minus h, here h, here f positive, uh, no positive minus f, here g plus g, here minus g. Here this is the skew symmetric matrix.